Right. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Yes, my name is Naftali Ranto, and I am starting with tonight's session of our long reach business. And tonight, the heading we say a young millionaire. Our presentation tonight, we talk about the young millionaire. So allow me to start firstly with just a scripture, while my business partners will be coming, and we will be reading the scripture here. I want to read this moment from the book of 2 Kings, chapter number 4, and I want to read from verse number 16. It says here, then he said, about this time next year, you shall embrace a son. And she said, no, my Lord, men of God, do not lie to your maidservant. So the story I'm reading here, it was the story of Elisha and the Shunammite woman whom decided to make a room, a house for Elisha to reside whenever he was passing in that village, going to his mission of preaching the gospel. Now, the man of God wanted to help this woman, and he sent the servant to call this man, to this lady, to come to her and to say, what is it that she wants? And the servant said she doesn't have a son. Now the man of God is telling the woman that by this time next year you shall embrace a son. And she said, no, my Lord, man of God, do not lie to a maidservant. So this is what normally happens. People do not believe when the word of God is spoken. They have those doubts to say it can't happen. So in the same way, it might seem impossible for you to become a millionaire. It might seem impossible for you to become a great business person. But one thing I want to say to you, as it is said here in this book of 2 Kings, chapter number 4, verse number 16, the man of God said to the woman, by this time next year, you shall embrace a son. And regardless of her belief, she didn't believe, but it happened because the man of God have spoken. So let us start tonight's session with a prayer. Then we can go right into it. Father, in the name of Jesus, we thank you for the opportunity because you are taking us to the top. I know that there are so many people that do not believe that we are on the right journey. Some, they doubt that we are on the right direction. But we know that, my Father, by next year this time, our life will never be the same. We will be at another level. We will be at the level that when we look back, we will see that it was worth it to start in this business in the year of 2020, because 2021 will not be the same year as 2020. We will be moving at the highest level ever. We thank you for this presentation. Those who are going to watch the replay as well, may you open their mind and help them to understand and take the right step. In the name of Jesus, we thank you, O Lord. Amen. Amen. Guys, welcome. You arrived when I was busy reading, and I'm so grateful that you are here. So we are continuing. There on the Facebook. Facebookers, please talk to me. Tell me, where are you watching from? There on Facebook. And we are on the journey to the top. So I'm going to start right away with the presentation. Welcome to the team, Zanin. I can see you guys who are here. So precious. Welcome, guys. I believe there are some people that are there with you. So tell me if you can hear me there. And let me see with the thumb there. Let me see the thumb if you are hearing me. Let me see with the reaction there on the thumb. Can you see? Can you hear me, guys? Talk to me. Acknowledge there. Let me see. Because I am going to as well today to make sure that I have full control of this meeting by removing that option of unmuting yourself. So I'm going to remove it. I'm not going to allow you to unmute yourself until I am done. So, okay, let me go right into tonight's presentation. We will discuss when I'm done. I started exactly at 7, so I'm going to share my screen so that we continue. I believe that some of you or some of the people will find us as we are on the move. So that is gonna be okay. So everything will be well with us. So let me share the screen and we go right into it. Okay, perfect. So let me see. We are now on today's presentation is this one. This one, and let me see. There we go. Perfect. Perfect. Good. Let me hide this floating ball. Whatever. Very good. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the presentation, and Facebookers, type there in the comments and tell me where you are watching me from, because I want to be moving together with you guys. So tonight I speak about a very important subject, or very important people in our economy, the youth. So tonight we are focusing on the young person, and we say all youngsters are invited to join us on our online Zoom meeting, which is now what we are doing, and we're live streaming as well on Facebook. So as you are arriving, welcome. You are muted. You will not be able to unmute yourself. So just follow as we are going through the presentation. Today is the 23rd. Tomorrow is Heritage Day. So happy Heritage Day in advance. So, and it is now just 5 minutes after hour of 7 o'clock p.m. So we are now here to learn this business opportunity for free, and to get an unlimited freedom of action, because once you get your financial independence, you can manage your time and you have freedom of action to do whatever you want. So our Facebook group has changed. Now it is no more the Team Overcomer group. It is Longreach Team Overcomer. So if you are there on Facebook, it is no more the Team Overcomer group. It's Longreach Team Overcomer, and you will be able to see it's a group. Also our page, it is changed. So take note of that. So Longreach, better life, better future. Ladies and gentlemen, brand switch. We are in the brand of Longreach Bioscience. So we don't use any other brand. We use this one. So the power of unity. I'm already now unfolding this presentation. Take note, our tonight's session I'm recording, so I can send you the link to download it or share with those who want to watch this recording of tonight. So it is being recorded. So I'm saying here, a candle lose nothing by lighting others. It means when a candle lights other candles, it is losing absolutely nothing. So this candle, it is me. This candle, it is you. You are either one of the candles, the one that are being lit, or you are the one that is lighting others. So ladies and gentlemen, you are that candle that needs to light others out there for them to be able to live the desired lifestyle. However, for this to happen, you need to believe in yourself. Self-belief is a key for you to be able to light other candles out there. If you don't believe in yourself, you will always underestimate yourself. Say, no, I don't think I have what it takes to be a great leader in business. So, but take note, ladies and gentlemen, remember that life owes you nothing. You have to go out there and make things to happen. Life doesn't owe you nothing, especially tonight. We talk about the young people. Our youth are the ones that's supposed to be leading in future. So you cannot sit back and wait for the government. You cannot sit back and wait for someone to feel sorry for you. You must go out there and make things to happen and believe in yourself, because you have a great potential. So let us continue. I want to talk today, this evening, about your mind. Your mind has power. Your mind, it is powerful. So ladies and gentlemen, pay very close attention on this subject of tonight. So you won't change the reality until you change yourself. You will not change the reality, what is happening around you, until you change yourself. Changing yourself, it will start for sure in your mind. You change your mind, then you will be able to change your life. So you need to reprogram your belief system. There are many people out there, they want to do business. They want to be in business, but they still think like an employee. They want to be great in life, but they still have small dreams, doubting themselves. Can I make it? Who am I? Can I really live this type of life? So you need to reprogram your mind. Reprogramming your mind will not happen overnight. It will need a constant working on yourself, creating yourself the way you believe in yourself, because you have a great potential. You were born as a winner. You were born as a champion. So you cannot be sitting back and waiting for life to offer you whatever that it wants to offer. You have to confront life. You have to make things to happen in life. So clarity is power. So how clear is your dream? How clear is your dream? The dream that you have. Can you really see? If you close your eyes, can you still see this dream? So you need to make sure that your dream, it is clear enough. Mine, it is clear enough. I don't know about yours. So make it to be clear as possible. So success equals to 80% psychology, meaning your mind. How is your mind regarding success? How do you think about success? Do you see yourself out of it, or do you see yourself having what it takes to become successful? And 20 plus, and now 20% of the mechanic. It means 80% it is how you think about it. Only 20% is now the mechanic part, where you can now go after what you want. Go after the success that you are looking for. So that is all about success. So many people, they think that success is about 80% of pursuing what you want. No, it is 80% what you think and 20% when you just follow on what you want. So your mind is very powerful. So I just put this here. Our mind has three categories that you have in your mind. You have your conscious mind, you have your unconscious mind, and you have your subconscious mind. So now let me touch a little bit on this. A conscious mind is the mind, is what we use daily. It's what you use to take decisions, those small decisions every day. To say, no, I don't want to do this, I want to do this. You use your conscious mind. You are able to say, I'm hungry. You are able to say, no, I'm not hungry, I need water. That is, you are using your conscious mind. So unconscious mind is, what is that one? That is now whatever that is on your conscious mind, several times you put it there, it will now start to save on your unconscious mind. Let me make an example. When you learn how to drive, the first time you learn how to drive a vehicle, you will be concentrating. You will for sure look at the pedals and check and say, no, there are 3 pedals here, but I have 2 legs. How am I going to operate this? You think too much about that. You are using your conscious mind. But after some time, you driving, few years of driving, you will realize that when you get inside the vehicle, it doesn't matter what vehicle is that, you will be unconsciously able to operate that vehicle. For you to sit, for me, for example, now I'm sitting here doing the presentation, I am breathing, and I don't need to think about that. It is happening automatically. So unless your dream moves from your conscious mind to the unconscious, for you to always have that dream on your forefront of your mind, then you can't achieve it. Now, subconscious mind is that now, is that playback voice, that voice that is playing back on your background. When you must do something, that voice comes and say, who do you think you are? So for you to program your mind, that is where the programming needs to be, on your subconscious mind. Once the programming can happen there, for you to program, reprogram this part of subconscious, you need to make sure that you feed yourself with the content that it is going to be positive. The content that you want to be saved in your subconscious mind, it must be the one that you allow to enter inside of your mind. And by so doing, it will start to happen on sort of a autopilot, or automatically you will see things that are happening. Driving a vehicle, even when you are sleeping, you don't, it is in your mind that, no, I can drive. So you are confident about that. The voice that is playing back in your mind, it tells you you are able to drive. So you need to select your content very carefully. You must select what comes into your mind. So if you want to be great, then stop to associate yourself with people that have a small vision. or people that are negative, people that do not see anything progressing in life. They are always focusing on negative things. So if it is your goal to become great, then you need to start reprogramming your mind. Make sure that your mind, it is the latest version of yourself, the one that you want to have. So Facebookers, comment there on Facebook. I'll get back to your comments shortly. Let me focus now on this presentation. So what is your dream? I don't know. What is your dream? I put mine here. This is my dream car. I can't stop looking at this car. I had it on my conscious mind. It is on now on my unconscious mind, and it is now I'm programming it into my subconscious mind. So ladies and gentlemen, you need to have your dream as clear as possible. As I said, clarity is power. If your dream is clear enough, then you will have what it takes to always follow it. Ellen Buchwani, I can see you are raising your hand. Thank you very much. We are continuing, ladies and gentlemen. And what is your dream? Maybe your dream is to go on holiday. I see, wow, I see even SD, she's there on Facebook. SD, we are on fire, for sure. I'm happy that you are also participating. I will see the comments there. The SD will help us tonight. So maybe your dream is to go on holiday. You want to travel the world. You want to go and spend time with your family. So you can achieve it. Maybe your dream is to have a luxury house or whatever your dream is. Maybe you are not into this, but you just need to spend time with your family. You want to retire early. You want to, or as a young person, as tonight we focus on the youth, you want to be that youth that will be able to give other people, even older people, you want to give them a job. If that is your case, then you are in the right platform. We can help you. So let's do a little bit of reality check and see. So are you happy with your current financial situation? Yes or no? Answer yourself. If you continue to do what you are doing now, can you achieve your dreams? So you must answer yourself on that one. So are you living the desired lifestyle? Yes or no? So if your answer to these three questions, it is yes, congratulations. You do not need this type of presentation. You can disconnect. But if you say no, then what are you doing about it? So that is why we are here today. We say, open up your mind. Do not be negative, because this opportunity might pass you if you take it in a negative way. So Albert Einstein said, insanity is doing the same thing over and over and expecting different results. So let us be wise. Let us now stop to do things that we know. We grow up, you know that if I do this, I'm going to get this result. But you keep on doing the very same thing, expecting different results. It can't happen. We need to change the seed. If you don't like to eat the spinach, don't plant the spinach as seed. You must plant beetroot or something else. So ladies and gentlemen, for you to change the results, you must change the seed that you are planting. So stop planting negativity. If you want your life to progress or you want to go to another level, stop planting negativity in your life. So let us continue. So how to build your business? Because we are in the business, ladies and gentlemen, Longreach Bioscience. How to do this business is very easy. These are 4 simple steps that everyone can do. You invite someone. You don't even need to worry about how to do this presentation, because here I am doing it on your behalf. You invite someone to connect to our Zoom meeting. You invite someone to connect to our Facebook page or our Facebook group, and this person will be sitting there while I do the presentation. After the presentation, you will follow up with this person, or you can also ask me to follow up on your behalf, and we make sure that this person take his own decision, because some people, let me say this, some people can't take decisions by themselves. We need to push them in order to take a decision. So if we have to do that, then we will do it. So after you get yourself in the business registering, then we're gonna take you through our training program, where we're gonna take you step by step to be able to understand how to explain or to share this business opportunity with other people there. So ladies and gentlemen, these are simple and duplicable 4 steps that you can apply and to build this business very, very easily. If you check here, you didn't see me writing anything here about going to sell products, because that is not what we are doing. We are just inviting people to come. We show them the opportunity. We do our shopping. Then we are all getting paid. So, ladies and gentlemen, this is now, I'm touching now on the company a little bit. This company of Long Reach Bioscience, the chairman of this company being Mr. Shushiwe, is saying, he wants this company to be the world's best health and beauty solution provider. So this company, it is aiming to be the top or to be the best in the world. So when you partner with us, it means you also share in the vision of this company. So I'm having a short video here that I have prepared for you to see that Long Reach, it is a giant and it is here to stay. This is one of the projects that the company is having in our continent, right here in Africa, in Nigeria. They are building this massive warehouse that you can see, or the manufacturing plant, that our products will be coming from there very, very soon. Before you realize it, we will be receiving our products directly from here. So have a look, and we will be right back after this short video that I'm going to play for you. Thank you very much. They're on Facebook. Let me see who is on Facebook there. Talk to me. There we go. So it was a short one. It was a very short one. So let's get back to business. So ladies and gentlemen, you can see that this company, it is here to stay. If you are not here to stay, you can't build such a big manufacturing plant if you are aiming to be in a place temporary. So Africa, it is now becoming the focus of this business to expand. I believe the next warehouse or the next manufacturing plant will be in Mzansi, South Africa, because that is, you must believe. If you don't believe it, it will never happen. So this is a company background, ladies and gentlemen. Long Reach is a trustworthy global direct marketing company which has been in operation since 1986. Started in China, and it landed in our Mzansi, South Africa in November 2016. And currently we have 2 offices, one in Randburg and another one in Durban, which was started in 2018. So, ladies and gentlemen, it doesn't matter which country you are. I can see I am having people watching me here from Ghana, all the way from Ghana. Long Reach, it is here in your country. Vage Mede. Long Reach is there also in Ghana. We can help you to get started, and you will receive also your products right there in Ghana. We have great leaders there in Ghana also to build this business. And the networking department of this company, ladies and gentlemen, started in 2008 and currently produces over 2,000 products worldwide. So we have a variety of products that you can subscribe yourself to use, and by so doing, you start benefiting together with your family. And Long Reach is helping these companies here to manufacture their products. So if you say, I don't trust this opportunity, go and ask these companies, who is Long Reach? And they will tell you who Long Reach is. So, ladies and gentlemen, do your own research, due diligence. And if you want more information, go to the website, globallongreach.com. You will be able to see all what I'm saying, I'm telling you here. You will find it on that website. So, let us work together. So, there are 5 major product range in Long Reach. And the first one is natural healthcare. You get your supplements, you get your multivitamin product that you can use for yourself, you can use with your family for you to be healthy, to get healthier. We have the energy healthcare products. You can get also the pots, the shoes, the cup. I have one here. This is mine. I'm using it to drink water every time. So, and we have the women care product. That is the category number 3. And we have your products for the ladies there. And these are very high quality products, ladies and gentlemen. You need to ensure that your wife, your sister, your daughter, they use this product so that they can be healthier and live longer. And we have the personal care products as well. And lastly, we have the cosmetics. And if you check these 5 categories, you'll agree with me. Most of our money every month or every week, it ends on these 5 categories. So before I go further, before I go far, I would have to check here. I had one of my team members that was going to say something about some of the products. If you need more of this product, ladies and gentlemen, to see what products we have, talk to us. We're going to send you the PDF or pictures that you can be able to read what products we have and the benefits. I just want to keep this presentation as short as possible. That is why I don't want to read through the products tonight. And I'm going to give now, let me just see here if she's here. One of our leaders, she's going to be talking to us. She's not here. Where is she? Oh, she's missing in action. It's okay. We will continue. She wanted to talk to us about the testimony she's having on using some of these products. So, but it's okay. I think she had a problem with network or whatsoever. So I'm continuing. So let's continue, ladies and gentlemen. We are now going to the important part of the business. So this product can help you to resolve some illnesses or sicknesses, if you can say. So people are very sick out there. They are looking for solutions. They are looking for a way to get healthy. The list you see here, it is actually, sorry for that, my phone is ringing here. So the list you see here, it is 19 pages. And I just put 1 page here for me to show you that, you know, this product is a need. People need this product because most of our country or our citizens, they are tormented by sickness because of the type of food we eat as well. It is not the good one. So now you can go and check type of sickness. We can also send you the whole list to check who is going to be your market or your target market when you start having this product. So what now? So how many people do you know who need this type of products on a daily basis? For sure, you have a lot. Once we send you the list of the products, we send you the list of the diseases and sicknesses, you will see that you know many people that always come to you complaining about these sicknesses and disease, and you can help these people. Imagine getting a share each time these people buy this product from Long Reach. So that's why I'm saying, they say, ladies and gentlemen, you cannot make yourself rich. You can only get rich through other people's money. You will never buy yourself into greatness. You can only get great by using other people's money as well. So if now some people say, no, I'm not into business. So I'm saying to you, don't miss this opportunity. Partner with us as a customer and benefit from other people's shopping immediately, because whoever will be coming under your structure, you put that person or you didn't put that person, you will benefit every time these people they buy their product. So then let me touch now on the compensation plan. Long Reach has an international compensation plan. It doesn't matter where you find yourself in the globe, you can get paid from this company because it is using what we call PVs, point value. So let me just touch here quickly on a testimony of one of our leaders. This is, I said today, I'm talking about the youth. This is one of our youngest star director. Her name is Karabo Mwabelo. She is a very young star director in the business. She became a star director only at age 25. And she's now age 27. They celebrated her birthday just this past weekend. It was great. I was checking there. She was dancing, doing that dance. Now, the president said we must do the Jerusalem dance. She was already doing it this past weekend. So she became a SD only at age number 25 or age 25 years old. So, ladies and gentlemen, it is possible. You can do it. So she qualified for 2 mini-car incentives. This information you will find on her page. She is having this information on her Facebook page. I've shared it also in the group yesterday. You can read it there. And she qualified for leader car incentive as well at this young age. So it doesn't matter about your age. So she got a house incentive. Imagine a 25-year-old getting a house incentive. And she qualified also for 2 free international scholarships. Oh, ladies and gentlemen, think about that. You wanted to go to school, you wanted to go to university. Maybe the parents didn't afford it, But now here is the opportunity for you to go there, all expenses paid by Longreach. And lastly, she qualified for 4 international trips at age 25. Ladies and gentlemen, now she is a star director too in the business. So, ladies and gentlemen, please do not underestimate this opportunity because it can transform your life. You can also do it because she did it at this young age. You are a young person watching this. You have everything that she's having. She's having 2 eyes, you have 2 eyes. She have 1 nose, you have 1 nose. She have 2 ears, you have 1 mouth, you have also the same 1 mouth. So you can also do this business opportunity. What is the reason that make us to join this business? There is one reason: legacy of the next generation. Because when you pass away doing this business, it will not pass away with you, but your family will inherit this business and go ahead and push it and going ahead with it. So partner with us, and ladies and gentlemen, you do this for your family. So this is the structure you're going to run down as you join the business. Only 3x3 structure. This is a very easy structure to build. They say a normal person or an average person knows at least 3 people. And I believe you are not an average person. You know why? Because your phone now, if you can check your contacts, I don't believe you have 3 contacts on your phone. I don't believe you have 3 friends on Facebook. I don't believe you have 3 friends on your, what is this other one? On your social media. I don't believe you only have 3 friends there. You have many more. So turn those contacts into contracts, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you very much. So that is the structure you're going to build. We say to you, come on board, put your family first, because that one is easy to put. 3 family members there, maybe your children or your wife, your partner, put them first in, then you start building now your business, going down, helping them to bring 3 people in. Use this platform that we have now of this presentation on a weekly basis. Invite your friends to come here. We do the presentation, you register them in your structure. As easy as that. Yes. Now, there are important concepts for you to know when you become part of this business opportunity of Longreach Bioscience. I believe Facebookers, you are still following. So let me know if there is questions. Type them there in the comment. I'm gonna take all those questions when I finish the presentation. Now, the important concept to know, the first one is PV. Every product you buy in Longreach has an equivalent point value. This cup here that you see, alkaline pie cup, have 45 points, 45 PV. Everyone buying it in your structure, you will get the very same 45 PVs from that person who is buying that product. Even if it's there on number 100 in your structure, he buys this product or she buy it, you will get that 45 PV on your account as well. Let me just drink a little bit here. I'm getting thirsty now. Good. And the second point for you to know, or the concept, generations. These are considered as your direct referrals. All those people that are coming under your structure, we call them as generation. The first 3 will be your generation 1. Generation 2 will be your 9 people that will come there. Then you can go until infinity. And the third point that you need to know, spillover. These are the people or distributors that are brought forward to you by your upliners, and they are considered as part of your placement 3. So you join the business, maybe when you wake up tomorrow morning, you find there's a person under you. You don't know that person, that we could regard him as a spillover because he's registered by one of your upliners. So you will not do this alone. Don't be afraid. Partner with us and let us help you. So sponsor 3, here you will find all your direct referrals and your spillovers will be counted there. So you will find that on your back office, there will be a tab saying sponsor 3. You will find all the people that are in your structure. You will find them in that. And they count almost everyone. Your direct referral as well as your spillovers. Then placement 3 is where your direct referrals are also placed in your placement 3. So you can go into the details of this in your back office. We will take you through that. And legs, it is your groups. Remember, you run only 3x3. 3 legs, we call them also, you can say 3 groups. Doesn't matter whatever you call them, as long as they are 3. And the reference leg, ladies and gentlemen, it is normally the sharing group. It is normally regarded as the strong leg It is not used for bonus calculation. It is used to pay all the other types of incentive, because in Longreach, we have 4 major bonuses and we have 5 major incentives. So those incentives, they are paid from your reference leg. And lastly, then we have what you call level. So those are your placement of your downline. They will be in level 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 until infinity. So now, how much does it cost to be part of this great business opportunity? This is a promotion ending December 31st. So I'm not sure if they will extend it. Don't wait for next year. It might be too much for you to afford to be part of this business. So grab the opportunity today. Don't wait for 2021. 2021, we will get the people of 2021. Join now in September. Don't wait for October. Join today. So, however, there are 5 entry levels. The first one is called Q Silver. That will give you 60 points. Remember, I said every product have equivalent point value. It means Q Silver, if you get this cup, this one, it gives you 45 points. You can get also 3 toothpaste. 3 toothpaste, you got your silver level. So that will cost you approximately 1,000 or 1.1, depending on your product selection. So ladies and gentlemen, partner with us. If you're not in South Africa, we can help you to find out what in your country, what is the amount to start at that Q Silver level. But it will be 60 points still in your country. Then a silver level, we have 120 points to start on that one. And it will cost you approximately in South Africa anything from 2,200 until 2.5, depending on your product selection. And the next one is gold. Gold level 240 points, and that will cost you anything from 4.8 until 5,000 rand in the vicinity there, and depending on your product selection. And the level number 4 is platinum. That is 720 points. It will cost you around 11,000, somewhere there, depending on your product selection. And the last one, it is the platinum VIP at 1,680 points, and that will cost you around 27,000 to 30,000 rand. So ladies and gentlemen, that is the ideal level that each of us should be starting the business. But I know because of some reasons, we are not able to start as a platinum VIP. But now the company says to you, you can start at any level that you can afford. So look into your pocket and start as high as possible for you, as high as you can afford. Remember, whatever amount you put down in Longreach, you get the products of the equivalent. There is no joining fee here. You buy your product. You switch from your brand, you buy Longreach brand, and you register yourself. You are done. You register you get your product, you can sell them, recover your money. It is 100% return on investment, or 150% return on investment, because this business will give you, the products will give you high profit as well as you sell them. So you have nothing to lose when you join this business. So let me touch quickly on the bonuses and then we wrap it up. I want to make this to be as quick as possible today. I don't want it to be long. So the first one is called performance bonus. This one, I know if you are working, you never get this bonus maybe, because it is only got by someone always in your workplace, one person receiving it. In Longreach, you get it as long as your team is performing. You are performing, also your team, you pass the very same teaching, the very same spirit to your team, they perform, you get a performance bonus. So every time your team is doing shopping, you get a percentage depending on your level. Remember the 5 levels? If you have the first level, Q Silver and Silver is paid at 8%. Gold level, it is paid at 10%. And Platinum and Platinum VIP, it is paid at 12%. So, ladies and gentlemen, this is how it is calculated. Let's assume this is your business for this week, and it is yourself on top with your first group A, B, and C. So, your group A made 150,000. Now, you can put this in points, you can put this in rent value, doesn't matter. But in your back office, it will be in point value. So whatever points that will be there, they will be higher than the other 2 legs. Then they will use the 2 legs that are less, remember the leg or the group with the highest points will be your sharing leg. They will use now the points on the weak 2 legs. Now they will add those together. In this example here is 100,000 plus a 50,000, and that they give you a 12%, because this example here, it is made on a platinum VIP 11, which is 12% performance bonus. That should give you 18,000 rand. Just the shopping of your people. You did, maybe for this week, you didn't even do shopping, but because these people, they have done their shopping, you will get that amount in your bank account on week number 4 from now. You count from next Friday, you count 1, 2, 3. Friday number 4, you will get this amount. If this was your shopping for this week from Sunday 6 p.m. until this coming Sunday at 6 p.m. Your shopping like this, you will get that in 4 weeks from now. So ladies and gentlemen, this is a very powerful investment or a very powerful business opportunity. Go and check and see if you have your money in your 32-day notice account. How much must you have for you to have 18,000 rand just in a year? You will see that this is a powerful business. You can get this on a weekly basis. As long as the shopping of these members will continue being the same, you can get this each and every week from here going forward. So the other ones is just to show you the following week. Remember, the points in Longreach do not forfeit. So the following week, your points will still be there. Then the points of that week will be used to calculate your performance bonus. Then that will be the very same calculation as it happens on the first week of this example. So I don't want to waste time there. So the second bonus we have is leadership. Leadership meaning, oh, you are leading your team. If you are not the leader, you will never get this bonus. This bonus you get from any person you register in the business yourself as a sponsor. Whenever this person gets paid, you get from 10% as a diamond 1 and a pre-diamond until 45% as a star director number 5. So who is a pre-diamond? When you join the business with your points less than 720 points, you will be regarded as a pre-diamond. Once your point reach 720, meaning if you join at the platinum level, which is 720 points, you start already as a diamond 1. So then as your points and the points of your team, group points, values, they add until 1680 PV, you become a diamond 2. If you start as a platinum VIP, you start by default already as a diamond number 2. So you can choose. You go there by yourself or you go there with a team. But you must go until you reach that level of diamond 2, because that is where basically your business is starting. If you are still a pre-diamond, you are not yet in business. You need to push yourself until you become a diamond 2, because once you become a diamond 2, you start to reserve. The company, the system will reserve 5% of whatever you earn in your back office. You can use that to buy your product as well. So ladies and gentlemen, and your ranks will be moving up. Diamond 2, Diamond 3, Diamond 4, Diamond 5, Diamond 6, Diamond number 7, Star Director number 1, and number 2, number 3, number 4, and number 5. And that is where you will end as Star Director number 5. So, and your leadership bonus will be 45%. And this bonus, ladies and gentlemen, you will get it until 12 generations. So it means you need to register as many people as possible on your first generation, so that you don't wait until you generation number 20 to start registering your first person. You lost already in business. So, but you didn't lose, because you will still get other types of bonuses. So now my favorite bonus is this one. Favorite, maintenance or retail bonus. Ladies and gentlemen, the company says to you, come on board. And once you are with us here, buy your products every month, 30 points of maintenance order, meaning you switch to your brand. Remember, when you join this business, you buy your products from Longreach, and products of 30 points, the company will give you 4.5% until 15 levels. 15 in your structure, you will be getting 4.5%. And this here, that picture that you see, is only up to 10 generations. So now let's look. If it's only you doing this shopping of 30 points, 4.5% will be 1.35. Get your calculator. 30 multiplied by 4.35%. It will give you 1.35. 1 point. It is 10 rand in South Africa. You say, then you will say 1.35 multiplied by 10. It will give you 13 rand and 50 cents. It means from your own shopping this month, you do your shopping of 30 points. By the end of the next cycle, you will receive 13 rand 50 cents. If now you teach your 3 people that are under you to do the same, you will get 13 rand 50 times 3, and it will be 40 rand 50 cents. Now your team is growing. You will have 9 members. They're on your 2nd generation. You will go to 27, 3rd generation, 81, and on your generation number 5, you will have 243 members on that generation doing the very same point or buying their products of 30 points per month. You will get now 13 rand 50 times 243. It will be 3,280 rand and 50 cents. It is now starting to make sense. This is on a monthly basis, ladies and gentlemen. Now your team is growing. You still multiply 3 by 3, no gaps. We close. We don't want water to enter. We make sure our roof is well sealed. 3 by 3. Until generation number 10, you will find that you have a team there on generation number 10 only of 59,049 members. And your possible income will be 797,161.50. Ladies and gentlemen, that is only your maintenance on a monthly basis. You remember, you just did your product of 30 points per month. That can cost you anything from 500 to 600 rand. Imagine spending 500 rand and earning 797,161.50. This is powerful. That is only on that generation. Now, go and add all those possible incomes for you to see your total income once you are having 10 generations. Your total team should be 88,572 members. You add yourself, it will be 573. And your possible income will be 1,195,722. You add your 13 rand 50 also there, you will see your total. And your total points in your whole structure, it should be only on maintenance. It will be 2,657,161. Ladies and gentlemen, those are great amounts. That is on your monthly basis. Imagine your team is doing this shopping. You are already on an SD. You are already there on the SD level. So this is what we're talking about. So partner with us and let us help you to reach there. You can go there slowly. As long as you are moving forward, that is what is important. So are you one of these people? Let me see. Oh, many of the people, they are on this position. And as a youth, I don't expect the youth to be on this position. Yeah, some people, they are already old. And since they were young, they were on this position. Remember that you can't achieve anything on that position, ladies and gentlemen. So stop wishing and start doing. Your life will never change by wishing. It will change the day you start taking action. Start doing something to change your life. So unless you start, nothing will happen. So ladies and gentlemen, I am about to wrap it up. So your age is not an excuse. You have seen the SD, 25 years old, she became SD1, Star Director 1 at 25 years old. So your age is not an excuse. There are excuses all over, and the age is not one of them. So ladies and gentlemen, stop making excuses. Go out there and let's build this business. Let's do it together, because you can do it. It is possible. So attitude is everything. I like this. Every time I make a presentation, I will always have this, because this is what determines. This is what separates those who are winning from those who are failing. So the choice is absolutely yours. I am now concluding my presentation. You must take your decision. Either you will long poor or you long rich, because ladies and gentlemen, the choice must be made by yourself, nobody else. And I like to say, Bad attitude is like a flat tire. You will not go anywhere until you change it. Those who are driving, you know what I'm talking about. If you can get a tire burst or a flat tire and you do not have a spare wheel, you are stuck. You can't go anywhere. You can't drive from here, Bloemfontein, to Cape Town with a flat tire. You will never reach it. You will sleep just here, just out of Bloemfontein. So who should join this business? Ladies and gentlemen, there are four types of people we need. Those who like the product, we need you. Second type of a person, those who want to earn an extra income, we need you. We are looking for you. The third type of a person, those who want to make big amounts of money, 30,000 to 500,000 per month. We need you in this business. Come work with us. Number four, those who desire that financial and common freedom. Did you see the picture I put it there on the front page of my dream? The car you saw there, it is 1.4 million. So ladies and gentlemen, you can't afford that with a salary from a job. You need a business like this one to be able to buy that, not even on installment or cash deal. So that is why we say, if you are one of these four people, partner with us. Get back to the person that has sent you to this presentation. Talk to them and say, guys, help me to get started, and let us help you to go also to become successful. So many people, they are standing like this. They say, I want to reach there. Looking at a step ladder, praying for the miracle to take place. My brother, my sister, there will be no miracle to take place unless you start climbing. There is no escalators to success. Success needs you to go up the stairs. You need to climb the stairs. There are no escalators. There is no lift that will take you to success. You need to climb the step ladder. Many of us, we lost huge amounts of money in the past because we wanted to take escalators. We wanted to take lift to go to success. So take note, there are those lifts out there trying to show you you can get paid by doing nothing. Put your money here, you will be paid. Run away if there is no product there. Because, ladies and gentlemen, if there is no product, then that is just one thing that is going to disappear within a short space of time. So partner with us today and start using the product. And it doesn't matter how many people you will have under your team, as long as they do their shopping every month, every week, you will get paid. You don't need to be registering new members in your team every day for you to get paid. Just the normal people that you have there doing their shopping, you have what it takes to be successful. Just remember, you can't climb the ladder of success with your hands in your pocket. This is what Arnold Schwarzenegger says. So from myself and the team Overcomer, we say thank you very much for taking your time to participate in this presentation. I hope you didn't waste your data to come and participate here. You will do what is required for you to be recovering whatever data you used for this presentation. I hope you will take care of that, and you want to get it back by building this successful business. So let's help you to get started today and secure your spot in the team Overcomer. And I'd like to thank you once again. I say you are an important person for us tonight because you are our guest. So if you have any questions, now it will be your time to engage with me, to engage with the team. We are here and we are going to take your questions. Let me come out of this and let me see if the lady is here. The leader that said to me she's going to talk is not here. Okay, I think she's participating on Facebook. So let me take your questions now. Let me see who is the first one. Facebookers, type your question there. I'm going to finish up with you. Let me start first here with the team here. I see Precious. Talk to me. Let me, oh, wait, as well. Let me unmute you here. Let me allow you to unmute yourself. Yeah, now I can open the prison doors for you to be able to come out. So prepare yourself to come out of the prison. Yes, you can now. You can unmute yourself. Unmute yourself and talk to me. Talk to me, leadership. You are here, I know. You always attend this presentation and you are with me here and the team there in Zani. So talk to me. Precious?
Leadership.
Yes, talk to me. How are you?
The guy.
Onal guy.
I have no question, leadership.
Are you okay? Are you happy with the presentation today? How was it? Was it good?
Yes, network. Yeah, Kashak.
No, it's fine. We'll talk on the WhatsApp. It's fine. So
Yes.
let me see the Facebookers. Facebookers.
Okay.
Any questions there on Facebook? Let me see. Let me see. Who's still watching there? Say something there. Any questions? Yes or no? Okay, let me see. We even had people from Ghana. This is nice. Okay, Kineyo, you are on Facebook. Thank you very much, leadership. You will speak on Saturday. Prepare yourself. Saturday, come and share that testimony of you on using the product. So, ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for participating. I wanted to keep this below an hour, and I believe that it is not so much. It is just an hour right on the clock. So, thank you very much for watching. And if you want to get in touch with us, you can leave your there on Facebook. You can comment, and we will get right back to you to assist you to get started. From myself and the team, we say thank you very much for being with us, and connect with us once again this coming Saturday at 5 p.m. 5 p.m. no soccer this Saturday. So connect with us. We're gonna have another exciting presentation this coming Saturday, live on Zoom and live streaming on Facebook. We are looking for people we can present to them. So partner with us and let us help them to reach their goals and to reach their target in life. So thank you very much. And I'm signing off.